It's time to get informed and get optimized. Smart manufacturing is driving new priorities for your customers and redefining what they expect from you. Smart manufacturing requires smart machines which you can design and build to your customers' specifications using smart devices and solutions from Rockwell Automation. Smart machines help your customers optimize their operations by enabling machines to use real-time data, analytics, preventive maintenance, and remote access. Smart machines are connected using open standard networks that are safe and secure. Once connected, smart machines provide unprecedented access to real-time data that can be analyzed and turned into actionable information. This helps your customers make better decisions faster. Machine builders use our integrated solutions, comprised of multiple smart devices, to design safe, smart, and efficient machines and equipment. As a result, they become self-aware and system-aware assets that help to significantly reduce machine downtime. Smart machines and equipment can be integrated easily into facilities, provide access to valuable information of machine and line operations, and help improve overall productivity, while enabling manufacturers to connect to their enterprises and their supply chain. We call this the connected enterprise. Smart machines give manufacturers the flexibility to respond to changing market demands and the agility to manage and mitigate various risks. Thanks to smart machines, 82% of manufacturers have increased efficiency and 49% experienced fewer product defects. Manufacturers in many industries use smart machines to build and operate smart factories. Customer satisfaction has increased by 45% by using smart machines. Here's what some of our customers are saying.
I think for us the future is being able to look at this across multiple sites, where we'll be able to evaluate best practice, where we'll be looking at process between facilities. We'll be looking at that data and sharing that data across facilities and able to make better decisions and provide better solutions and better outcomes.
Biggest use for myself is no matter where I am in the facility, I can see everything that's occurring. I can look at the OEE performance of each machine and see where my attention needs to be.
Smart machines empower you to create more markets while meeting various industry requirements and regulatory standards. You can drive machine innovation, which is a big differentiator against your competitors, while protecting your intellectual property. Smart machines can also help to expand your service capabilities by using the data and information collected, and they enable you to generate more revenue and more value for your business. Start your journey now. Get connected, get informed, get optimized. Get ahead with smart machines. Discover advanced smart machine solutions from Rockwell Automation.